Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you are all fine and everybody is fine at home. Children, as you all came in class 12, so as you all know that now you all have to study very hard, and I just expect from you all and I just hope that really you will work hard. आप hard work करेंगे and daily we are discussing the topics with you through these video. Basically these video will help you to make your concept more clear and to do more and more revisions of your, and the more and more you will practice, the more you will become the perfect. Now, so we are discussing the chapter 1 with you through this video, and the chapter name is Variations in Psychological Attribute. In that regarding, we had discussed so many topics from that chapter, like for example individual differences, situationism, which is known as situationistic perspective also. Then third came the individual difference, situationism, situationistic perspective, assessment. What is assessment, ये भी हमने जाना. What are the types of assessment, what are the assessment methods, ये भी हमने समझा. देन हमने ये जाना असेसमेंट मैथड्स के बाद डोमेन्स क्या हैं साइकोलॉजिकल एट्रीब्यूट के, कितने टाइप्स के साइकोलॉजिकल एट्रीब्यूट होते हैं. फिर हमने ये जाना कि साइकोलॉजिकल एट्रीब्यूट के बाद which attribute we have to study in detail, so that is an intelligence. We also studied about some of the assessment methods through which these attributes can be measured. So intelligence को हमने डिटेल में जाना. In that regarding we had discussed about the concept of intelligence. Intelligence का concept क्या है, meaning, definition, and then we are discussing the theories of intelligence. In the theories of intelligence, children, we had discussed that the theories of intelligence are explained on the basis of two approaches. What are the two approaches? The two approaches are psychometric and information processing. We had discussed that in psychometric approach, the 5 theories are included. What are the 5 theories? The 1-factor theory, 2-factor theory, theory of primary mental ability, structure of intellect model, level 1 and level 2 theory. We have discussed very much in detail about these theories which come under the psychometric theory of intelligence in our previous video. Now we are going to discuss about the information processing approach theory, in which the first theory came the theory of multiple intelligence. So the topic which we will be going to discuss with you today is theory of multiple intelligence. Okay, this is our topic. Write down this topic, children. Theory of multiple intelligence. So in this topic, first of all, it is given by Howard Gardner. And that is why this theory is given by Howard Gardner. And that is why this theory is also known as Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence. Okay, so it is very important for you children to know that theory of multiple intelligence is given by Howard Gardner, and Howard Gardner, from his name, this theory was named as Gardner theory of multiple intelligence. Now, this is a very famous theory in the field of psychology, and you can say that this is a famous theory related to the intelligence theory, in the field of psychology. It was very much famous and very much known to many of the individuals. Now, what the Gardner have a concept about the intelligence. Gardner have a concept that every individual does not only possesses a single intelligence. He said that it is not like that in a person only one intelligence is present. The person is made up of so many intelligence, means the person is having the multiple intelligence. ऐसा नहीं होता कि उसमें सिर्फ एक ही इंटेलिजेंस होता है. द पर्सन इज हैविंग द मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस. उनमें बहुत सारे इंटेलिजेंस होते हैं. ठीक है. The multiple intelligence exists in person. So intelligence according to the Howard Gardner is not a single entity. He talks about that there are different kind of intelligence are present in an individual. So on that particular concept, he suggested the 8 type of intelligence which is found in an individual. So we will discuss all the 8 type of intelligence one by one. Okay. I hope you have written this topic. Now, you write down the concept also. According to him, intelligence is not a single entity. Into him, intelligence is not a single entity. According to him, intelligence is not a single entity, whereas multiple intelligence is present in an individual. Note down this line. Okay. So I had already explained this one and I want from you all to note it down and I just hope आपने लिख लिया होगा. Now, Gardner talked about 8 type of intelligence. Eight type of intelligence. What are they? Names. First, linguistic. Second, logical mathematical. Third, bodily kinesthetic. Fourth, facial. Fifth, musical. Sixth, naturalistic. I want from you all to note it down, children. Please note it down with me. 7. Interpersonal. 8. Intrapersonal. Okay, note down these 8 types of intelligence: linguistic, logical, mathematical, bodily, kinesthetic, spatial, musical, naturalistic, intrapersonal, interpersonal. One by one we will discuss about this one. Sure. So first of all came the linguistic. According to the Gardner, a linguistic intelligence is a type of intelligence in which the person have the command over the language. Okay, linguistic इंटेलिजेंस उनमें पाया जाता है जिनका लैंग्वेज पे बहुत अच्छा कमांड होता है. इन्हें हम वर्ड स्मार्ट भी कहते हैं. और द पर्सन हु कम अंडर दिस कैटेगरी लाइक पोएट्स हैं, राइटर्स हैं, रीडर्स हैं, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर्स हैं. ओके, सो ये सारे लोग उनमें लिंग्विस्टिक इंटेलिजेंस होता है. दे आर हैविंग अ लिंग्विस्टिक इंटेलिजेंस. ऐसे लोगों को हम वर्ड स्मार्ट कहते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव अ वेरी मच कमांड over the language, over the words, over the symbol. So this is about the linguistic intelligence. Please note it down. Second come the logical mathematical. Those persons who fall under this category of intelligence, logical mathematical, a person who is having an analytical thinking, logical thinking, rational thinking, and very much good command over the numbers, over the digits. Okay, they are said to be having a logical mathematical intelligence. Okay, and these persons are the person who belong to this category come mathematicians and scientist and philosopher. ये सब आएंगे इसमें. मतलब जो साइंटिस्ट हैं, मैथमेटिशियंस हैं, these come under this category. and ऐसे लोगों को हम लोग लॉजिक स्मार्ट कहते हैं. we call such kind of people logic smart. Please note it down, these two things. Now moving forward to the next type of intelligence, the two we have discussed. Okay, so the third came the bodily kinesthetic. Bodily kinesthetic. Bodily kinesthetic क्या है? A person who having I can say that the whom उन्हें हम bodily kinesthetic intelligence कह सकते हैं जिनमें they have a very good command over their muscular system. They are very much consciously aware about their physical structure, their body. They are very much concerned about the physical health, maintaining the body structure, and very peculiar about the physical appearance. So that person have a bodily kinesthetic intelligence. And the person who belong to this category are like you come the wrestlers and the racer, the bodybuilders, okay, physicians. These all people are having a bodily kinesthetic. Athletes, okay, sports person, sports teacher. तो इनमें bodily kinesthetic intelligence is found. ऐसे लोगों को हम लोग बॉडी स्मार्ट कहते हैं. These people are known as body smart. Understand? I hope you all have written it down. Okay. Now the fourth category is we discussed the linguistic, we discussed the logical, mathematical, bodily, kinesthetic. Now come the musical. Musical intelligence उनमें होता है those who have the knowledge and command over the music, over the rhythms. They know the lyrics, they know how to transform the music. So the person who belong to this category are like music composer, singer, director and dancer. उनमें musical intelligence होता है. They know the music. Okay? ऐसे लोगों को हम लोग म्यूजिक स्मार्ट कहते हैं. We call them music smart. Note down these things so that we move forward. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. Okay. Now, after these four discussions, the 8 intelligence are there. So 4 are left. Okay, so what is the fifth one? Fifth one is the spatial intelligence. Spatial intelligence उनमें होता है those who have the knowledge about the time, space, distance and direction. Okay, such person possesses the spatial intelligence. उनमें spatial intelligence होता है. Now, जैसे कि कौन इसमें आ सकता है? सेलर्स होते हैं जो शिप में ट्रैवल, शिप राइड करते हैं, सेलर्स हो रहे हैं. देन इंजीनियर्स हैं, आर्किटेक्ट्स हैं, ओके, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर्स हैं जिनको स्पेस से रिलेटेड काम करने होते हैं, 3D से रिलेटेड काम करने होते हैं, 2 डायमेंशनल और 3 डायमेंशनल पे फंक्शन वर्क करना होता है, तो वो आते हैं. ठीक है, स्पेशल इंटेलिजेंस. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी है इंटेलिजेंस का नेचुरलिस्टिक. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इज द naturalistic. Naturalistic intelligence वो intelligence है the person who have a very good knowledge and very much sensitive toward the nature. Okay, they love the plants, they love the trees, they love the flora and the fauna. So the lovers of the flora and fauna come under the category of naturalistic intelligence. The person who belong to this category are known as botanist, yeah, you can say that the wildlife photographer or geologist, or those who are, so these are the things come under the naturalistic intelligence. Okay, these people are also known to be natural lover. Okay, so up to the 6 we had discussed. Now moving towards to the next one. The last 2 type of multiple intelligence according to the Howard Gardner. 7 is the interpersonal. Interpersonal. There is a difference between interpersonal and intrapersonal. that you should keep in mind. Interpersonal intelligence. And next is intrapersonal. Okay, interpersonal and intrapersonal. There is a difference of inter and intra. Intra means within और inter means outside. So intrapersonal intelligence उनमें होता है those who know about themselves, जो अपने बारे में जानते हैं. They have an intrapersonal intelligence, means they have a good command over their self. Such type of intelligent people having a very high self-concept and they are very high self-actualized person. So the person who belong to this particular category, intrapersonal, like philosopher, saints and sociologist, ओके बेसिकली ये सारे लोग जिन्होंने सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन को पाया है, जिन्होंने अपने ऊपर अच्छे से कमांड किया है, अपने इमोशंस पे कमांड किया गया है, तो उन लोगों को हम इंट्रापर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस कहते हैं. वेयर एज इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट टू द इंट्रापर्सनल, हियर कम द इंटरपर्सनल. इंटरपर्सनल इंटेलिजेंस उनमें होता है जो दूसरों को समझते हैं. दे हैव द एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड others emotion, others feeling, others they are very sensitive toward the others behavior. Okay, so the person who belong to this category like counselor, the psychologist, these all come under these category. So these are overall the classification of all the 8 type of multiple intelligence according to the Howard Gardner. And that is why this theory is known as, so these all include the 8 type of intelligence which is given by the Howard Gardner, and it is known as the theory of multiple intelligence. So children, we had discussed the theory of multiple intelligence which is given by the Howard Gardner. Children, this is a question which is very important for your board examination. It was asked in so many papers, so be prepared these things. And after writing about each and every one, you have to show it with a diagram also. Like in this way you can show it. You can make a big circle over here and you will write down here theory of multiple intelligence. Okay, now क्या क्या है, what are the 8? First is the word smart, then logic smart, then body smart, then word smart, logic smart, body smart, then music smart, nature smart, then spatial smart, then and then self-smart. These are the 8 type of intelligence. Okay. Please note it down, children. Please make this chart in your copy. Relational smart, word smart, self smart, spatial, nature, logic, body smart and music smart. Now, the word smart people are known to be the linguistic intelligent people. ये जो word smart है वो linguistic intelligence, it is a logical, mathematical, it is a bodily kinesthetic, it is a musical, it is a spatial intelligence, naturalistic intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence and interpersonal intelligence. Okay, so with this diagram you will be better understand this concept, and I hope it will help you a lot in making you to score more and more marks in your examination. Similarly, in this way you can make other chart also with their name. Okay, आप ऐसे बना सकते हैं नाउ. Data theory of multiple intelligence, आप ऐसे लिखोगे. Then you make like this one, flow chart. First theme, linguistic, intelligence. Okay, I hope you all are writing it. आप मेरे साथ इसको लिख भी रहे हो. Logical, mathematical, bodily, kinesthetic, spatial, musical, naturalistic, 5, 6. Interpersonal, and the last one, intrapersonal. Okay, make it out in your copy. So in the two way you can describe this theory. First of all, you describe it and then you make this kind of chart. It will be a good scoring for you. So I hope you all have written it down. So I just hope, children, you have understand this topic very well. But still, if you find anywhere any doubt, you have the classroom, you are coming to the school, so you will ask me the questions, whatever the doubts you are having, okay? And I just say that thank you so much for carefully observing this video and listening to me continuously.